Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I'm making these fried oyster po' boys, y'all, with this homemade Cajun mayo. So, y'all, if it looks good and you into it, sit back. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so first I'm starting off with this 16-ounce can of medium-sized Maryland oysters, and for a full review of like how to actually clean oysters and all that out, check out my fried oysters video. I will link that in the description box below. But long story short, you want to pull off the membrane that might be in some of the oysters still, and make sure you go through all of the oysters and make sure you pour that out. And then after that, you want to just run it under some cold water until that water runs nice and clear, and until you no longer see any of that like sliminess on the oysters. And then after that, y'all, you want to make sure that you pat the oysters completely dry. Make sure they are dry, so they get nice and crispy when we fry them. Now on to that next step. For my flour, or for my frying station, I'm starting off with 1 egg, and to that I'm going in with some of my Old Bay hot sauce that I love. Y'all know I've talked about that before. And then you want to just whisk that up together. I'm using some Louisiana fish fry, this spicy one, and it's perfectly seasoned. It already has salt in there and all the other spices you need. It is perfect. Don't add anything to it, y'all, or at least don't add any salt to it, y'all. So after that, y'all, you want to just dip those oysters into that egg mixture, and then shake off any excess egg after that, and then just put the oysters into that seasoned flour, dredge them all up in there. Make sure you get into all those little nooks and crannies and all of that stuff, y'all. And this already looks like it's gonna be a good crispy fried oyster, right? This is what we are going for, y'all. So after that, I just do that to all of the oysters, just speeding this up a little bit, y'all. And to my fryer, now that that's all done, that I have preheating to about 375 degrees for about 10 minutes or so with some neutral cooking oil, I'm just going in with my oysters. And so I fry them in 2 batches just so the oil wouldn't just cool down too much, and so the oysters will actually be able to like crisp up and really do their thing in this grease, because we're not cooking them for too long. You'll want to cook them for about 5 minutes or so in that hot grease, y'all, and boom, this is what them oysters are looking like, y'all. And as you see, I'm just placing them on a towel just to make sure that any excess oil drains off, y'all. Now in the meantime, I'm just going to cook up my second batch of oysters. Just fry that up really quickly, y'all. And boom, this is again what it's looking like. And after that, y'all, we are going to start on our spicy Cajun mayo to go on these po' boys. So now, y'all, I'm just going in with some mayonnaise, y'all. I'm going in with this smothered Cajun seasoning. Again, I talk about this in my other fried oyster video, so definitely check that out if you want more of a description of everything that's going in here, y'all. But again, long story short, some little bit of pepper, and going in with some of that Old Bay hot sauce again, y'all. After that, I'm going to go in with some fresh minced garlic, just 1 little clove, that's all you need. Going in with a little bit of sugar to kind of like counteract that tomato-y Cajun sauce, as well as from the garlic. Then I'm going in with a little squeeze of lemon to brighten it up, as well as some fresh parsley, y'all. After that, you got to just mix it up until it is all combined, until it's all one color, y'all. And after that, it is time to build these po' boys. So I have a nice soft hero roll, y'all. You want a really nice soft one, or at least I did in mine. But if you want to, you can toast it up, whatever you want to do. But you want to make sure you put a whole lot of that spicy Cajun mayo all on this po' boy. Then y'all just going in with the classic ingredients. Going in with some lettuce, going in with some nice fresh tomatoes. After that, y'all, I'm going in with some red onion. You can leave this out if you don't like the raw oniony kind of flavor, but I love it. So I'm going in with that, and then I put in a little bit of pepper, y'all. After that, it is time to place on these oysters, y'all. And I must say, in these po' boys, you can put whatever kind of like fried seafood you want to. You can do fried shrimp, obviously. You could even do like some fried crawfish. Is that a thing? I don't know. Maybe that's a thing. Maybe I need to try it out and see if that's actually a thing. And of course, you can always go with Old Faithful, just some nice fresh lobster that you steamed off or broiled or whatever, y'all. Whatever you want to do, go for it, y'all. This is your dish to make. This is your po' boy. This is whatever you want it to be, y'all. But as you see, I'm going with a whole lot of oysters. This is basically like an overstuffed kind of po' boy. I just want the oysters just falling all out of the thing. Now, y'all, of course, we have to squeeze on some fresh lemon at the end to really set everything off and really bring out all of those seafood flavors the fried oysters will give you, y'all. And after that, I'm going in with, again, some more of that Old Bay hot sauce, because I want this to be kind of spicy, y'all. Now it is time to cut into this po' boy, and it's time to dig in, y'all. Just look at this thing, y'all. Look at this thing. And I promise you, it was so good, y'all. You definitely have to try this thing out for sure, y'all. So, y'all, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this video, y'all. Do you want to try this out? Let me know what you think. But, y'all, that is all I have for y'all today. As always, I really hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video and me just rambling and talking about whatever, y'all. I really hope you appreciated it, y'all. But, y'all, with that said, I will see you in the next video. You can hit that like button. You can share the video with whoever you want to. And you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this every single week. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.